Hello guys, so right now I'm gonna teach you on how to turn on the clipboard in your keyboard in just less than 1 minute. So for example, let us copy a text here from WhatsApp. So this one, I'm gonna try here. I'll copy this on my clipboard. So yeah, right now it was copied here. So just click on this icon here, this one, the box like, and then go in this one, click on that, and then you'll see a turn on clipboard here. So just turn it on, and you will see all the text that you copied. You can just easily remove here, or you can also add another text. So it will be automatically added here, all the text that you will be copying. So that's how easy to turn on your clipboard. So for more videos like this, just follow and subscribe.